Hey guys, I'm Maura. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today we're going to go over how to customize your iPhone with the new iOS 14 update. So if you haven't already, you need to get the iOS 14 update on your phone. To do that, you're going to go into your settings app. You're going to go down to General. You're going to click on Software Update, and you're just going to see if you have your update all updated, basically. And it says, I am up to date with my iOS 14 update, so that's how you know you have it. Alright, so to customize our iPhone, we're going to need an app called Widgetsmith. So you're going to go into the App Store and search up Widgetsmith and get the app. It's free, and you're going to need it to do all these fun customizations. And once you have it uploaded, it's going to look a little something like this, where you can create medium widgets, small widgets, and large widgets. So I'm going to add a small widget. Click on this default button and make it customizable. You can do time, the date, or custom like photos. You can also do reminders, the weather. So you can do a lot of things with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a photo from mine, and I'm going to choose a photo from my photo library, and there you go. So now I'm going to go back, hit save, and now I have a new widget on my thing. Alright, so if you want a widget that has this like writing on it instead, you're going to add another widget, customize it, and you're going to pick one of these widgets that has the writing on it. So you could pick the ones with time, the ones with the date. You could do reminders, weather. I'm going to do time, and I'm just going to pick this 10 past 11 one. So now I'm going to go down to font, and I like to pick the font New York. I think it looks the best. And then these are the font colors. I just pick white. And for background color, there's lots of different background colors as well. I like to pick the pink, cream, or the like dark orange color. For this one, I'm just going to pick the pale pink. And then you can also do a border color. I like personally the white border the best. And then after I pick all my things, I just hit. Now I'm going to create a medium widget by hitting add widget, clicking on the default button and making it more customizable. Again, you can really do a lot of different things. For this, I am going to pick reminders, because you can do reminders, which is kind of cool. So whatever list of reminders that you have, you can just click on the ones that you want. I'm going to click my to-do list, and then I'm going to go to the bottom parts and pick the font, which I picked New York. Then I pick the color of the font, the background color, and then I can save after I got that border as well. So then we have all these different widgets that I have currently here, and now I'm going to show you how to add them to your home screen to make it look like this. So you're just going to press and hold on one of your apps, it doesn't matter what app it is, and hit edit home screen, and then you're going to have this plus sign in the corner. So you're going to hit that plus sign in the corner, and that's going to take you to this widget page. Now you're going to go to the very bottom and hit Widgetsmith, and then you have the choice to add a small widget, medium, or large, and I picked the small. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to customize which one I want. So I'm going to pick the small number 5 or small number 4, and then I'll do that widget. Now I'm going to add another widget, go to the bottom, click Widgetsmith, and I'm going to go to the medium this time. Alright, so I'm pressing and holding on that medium one and clicking the widget that I want. And now I can move it around, customize it, and there we go. Okay, so another thing you can also add to make your phone a little bit more aesthetic is adding cool app icons using the Shortcuts app and making the app look more aesthetically pleasing. And I show you how to do this in another one of my videos, so I'll link that down below so you can check it out and make your phone truly an aesthetic phone. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button. It would really support me. And comment down below if you tried to do this as well for your phone. Trust me, it looks so cute and I absolutely love it. And one more thing I'd love for you to do is hit that subscribe button before you leave. I post videos about tech like this, as well as how-tos and DIYs and some lifestyle as well. So you don't want to miss any of those videos. And now that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!